The expression, "If the sky's the limit, then what is space?" turns a familiar motivational phrase into a clever philosophical question. This challenges how we interpret limits, possibilities, and human ambition. Traditionally, the sky's the limit means there are no practical boundaries to what you can achieve. The sky symbolizes something vast and unreachable from the ground. But once we acknowledge that space exists far beyond the sky, the phrase becomes outdated, or at least too small, prompting us to rethink how we define potential. In reality, the sky is not a limit at all. It is just the thin layer of atmosphere surrounding Earth. It stretches only about 100 kilometers upward before giving way to the vacuum of outer space. Space, by contrast, is effectively infinite. It is filled with galaxies, stars, planets, and cosmic phenomena that dwarf anything on Earth. So if the sky once represented the ultimate boundary, space reveals that boundaries shift as our knowledge expands. This paradox highlights how human progress continually pushes past perceived limits. What was once unreachable becomes ordinary the moment technology, exploration, or imagination advances. Airplanes broke the sky barrier, and spacecraft shattered the boundary beyond that. This shows that limits are often temporary human constructs rather than physical realities. Philosophically, the question suggests that limits exist only where we choose to place them. As we redefine goals, our concept of possibility grows larger and more ambitious. Culturally, it reflects how language evolves slower than human capability. We still use the phrase even though humanity has literally flown far above the sky. Ultimately, if the sky's the limit, then space becomes the reminder that limits are expandable, fluid, and often illusory. It symbolizes infinite possibility, an open invitation to dream bigger, reach farther, and rethink what a limit really means.